What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from the Holiday Inn here in Singapore, Little India. So this is what it looks like right in front of the actual hotel. But we're gonna go inside here. This is where your taxi is gonna drop you off. They have parking up there. And so Holiday Inn here. This is the lobby level. Check in right here. Got a medical facility over there. So you got a cafe here. And then if you go just outside here, just show you, got connection link to the transportation. And you've got a 7-Eleven right here. So for your convenience, everything is right there. Go back in here. Thank you so much. And now we'll just start exploring the hotel. They've got a pool on level 5. So let's go up there now. Here we are at the 5th floor. So you can see. We got a bar, restaurant area. This is also where the swimming pool is. This is Blue Jasmine Restaurant. They got on tap there. Summer Ale Pale, Summer Ale IPA, Tiger and Heineken. Let's take a look here at the pool. Okay. Big old pool, look at that. Got it going in both directions, right in the sun. That's good. Keep that water warm. Some of these pools in Singapore, they're so cold. Even though it's so hot outside, I don't know why the pools get so cold. But great look at the hotel here. Pool. Surrounding area. Okay, so this is the Blue Jasmine Restaurant. Just looking here. It's lunchtime. Hello, I'm just looking, ma'am. Looks good. Hello. Just looking. Good aircon in here. Air conditioning is nice and cool. This is where you'll do your breakfast and have some lunch if you needed it. All right, so here we are on the 12th floor. Now this is the gym. And this here is DIY laundry. I'm actually doing my laundry there. It's 8 Singapore for wash and 8 Singapore for dry. But here's the gym. Oh, it also includes detergent for that price. So the detergent's in the washing machine built in. But here's a look at that gym. And then up here is a DIY yoga deck. Do your own yoga. So that's nice. Oh, it's quite good, huh? Let me just give you a peek here at the washer and dryer unit. Yeah, my wash is going. So it's just one wash, 2 washers and 2 dryers. So here's a look at the room here at the Holiday Inn. All right, so we've got shower, dual heads, typical IHG soap. Now this is actually your drinking water. So it's filtered water straight out of the trough there. And then you have your regular sink, toilet. Not a smart toilet like the last few hotels I was staying at, like the Hyatt. or the JW Marriott. 2 robes, iron, but you can see down there they've got the house shoes, the slippers. There's a look at the bed. And the mini bar. See if it's fully stocked or not. Oh, no, not fully stocked. So that's what it is. Chamomile, green tea. Got the nice desk. I'm happy about that desk, actually. That's a nice desk setup. We've got a Holiday Inn Express down there, you can see. But as you can tell, I'm staying at the Holiday Inn here in Little India. So now for my final review of Little India's Holiday Inn. As you can see, I'm now here at a new hotel. This one is actually the Ritz-Carlton. I will be reviewing this one next, so stand by for that if you wanted to see the Ritz-Carlton. So Holiday Inn, obviously being a part of IHG, Intercontinental Hotel Group. Points and all that, really good value here. The location is good. It's close to Little India, so at night you can walk around. Little India might not be for everybody. I personally like Little India. I at least try to spend 1 or 2 days nearby Little India when I come to Singapore. Obviously good food, also a great place to do some cheap shopping. It's more of an economical area here in Singapore. I always get a haircut when I go down there because I feel like the best haircuts for the best value. So best value and best haircuts are in Little India. I always get great haircuts there. They are very talented at cutting hair. It seems like at every barbershop, so I'm always quite happy about that. You can also get a variety of different self-care things. You know, you can get a manicure, pedicure, massage. They have all that nearby. Also an MRT station. Little India's MRT station is nearby. The pool I thought was nice. So location good, pool nice. Obviously out in the sun like that, that's really good because the water's going to be a little bit warmer when the sun comes in. Whereas if it's not sunny, we already know how I feel about that, cold water. The bed was not the most comfortable. It was more or less the sheets. I just didn't feel like the AC got cold enough to get rid of the humidity. So I felt like at night there was a little bit of humidity, although when I woke up in the morning, it wasn't an issue. It just seemed like at night when I was going to bed, there was a little bit of humidity under the covers. I don't know, might not happen to everybody. Just felt like that was the situation for me. The internet was blazing fast, super fast internet. The bed was comfortable, by the way. It's just that the covers, not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. Let's see, so internet super fast. I was very impressed with that. The 7-Eleven being right there, convenient. Food options being available. The breakfast was okay too. So I felt like for a Holiday Inn, I've seen some really good Holiday Inn breakfast and I've seen some not so good Holiday Inn breakfast. I would say this was middle of the row. Not amazing, but definitely not bad. So plenty of options. I think you'll like the breakfast. So staff also very friendly. Just a good, solid hotel for your stay while in Singapore, close enough to Central, close to the MRT. I think most people, this will work for you. If you guys enjoy this video and you want to see more hotels from Singapore, watch our Singapore playlist. It's almost at, I want to say 16 or 17 hotel reviews already. So if you're coming to Singapore and you want to see more hotels, watch our playlist on Singapore. See you guys on the next one from Singapore here at the Ritz-Carlton.